What was that?
Like this boat, wow, you should see it was full of water. The boat was full like that, of water. I had the thing.
I know, because it was open.
No, the hole was closed. It was closed. You could, the water not go nowhere. But now the water leaves.
This boat is ridiculous compared to this one, huh?
You know what's going on?
Ah.
The engine looks the same. But I don't know how to take off the fucking starter, man. You know? I don't know how to take the fucking starter off.
Who is that?
I don't know how to take the goddamn starter off. I wish, maybe. Did we leave the book here? No, we didn't.
No, I think it's in one of the boxes in the warehouse. It's gotta be.
I even bought tools for the new boat. Yeah? Oh, every time I come here, I have to shit.
Now that's a brand new boat. Huh?